Have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like time is slipping through your fingers? Let me tell you a story about a young man named Leo. Leo was always busy, but he never felt like he got anything done. His days were a blur. He'd scroll on his phone for an hour, thinking it was just 5 minutes. He'd promised to call his family, but later never came. He was always tired, always rushed, and honestly, a little unhappy. One afternoon, walking through a market, he saw an old woman at a small stall. She sold just one thing, a beautiful, glowing hourglass. "What does it do?" Leo asked. The old woman smiled. "It doesn't add more time to your life," she said, "but it will show you the time you have." Curious, Leo bought it. The woman gave him one rule: you can turn it over just 3 times. Choose the moments wisely. Leo took it home and placed it on his table. That evening, he was about to waste another hour scrolling on his phone when he had an idea. He turned the hourglass over. As the golden sand flowed, something amazing happened. He became super aware of every grain falling. He thought, "This is my life right now, falling away." He quickly put his phone down. Instead, he picked up a book he'd been meaning to read. He got lost in the story. When the sand ran out, he didn't feel like he'd lost time. He felt full. He had gained a new adventure in his mind. A few days later, his mom called. She just wanted to talk. Usually, Leo would hurry her off the phone, but this time, he turned the hourglass over a second time. As the sand flowed, he listened. He really listened. He heard the joy in her voice as she told a silly story about the family dog. He laughed with her. For those few minutes, nothing else in the world mattered. When the sand ran out, his heart felt warm. He hadn't just spent time, he had strengthened a bond. Leo now had just one turn left. He saved it for a whole week. He wanted to use it for something truly important. Then he remembered his old dream of learning to play the guitar. It had been sitting in the corner for years. "I'm too busy," he always said. But now he understood. He would never find the time. He had to make the time. He took a deep breath and turned the hourglass for the last time. He picked up the guitar. His fingers were clumsy. The chords sounded bad, but he didn't care. He was doing it. He was using his precious time to build a skill, to create joy for his future self. When the sand ran out, he could play 3 chords badly, and he was prouder of that than of all the hours he'd ever spent scrolling. The magic hourglass was empty now, but Leo didn't need it anymore. It had taught him his lesson. You see, time isn't just minutes on a clock. It's the material our life is made of. Every minute is a choice. Do you spend it on things that drain you? Or do you invest it in things that build you, things that connect you, things that make your heart feel full? We don't have a magic hourglass, but we have something just as powerful: awareness. The next time you pick up your phone or say, "I'll do it later," just pause for a second. Imagine that golden sand falling. Ask yourself, is this the best use of my life right now? Value your time, because in truth, it's all you really have. And when you value your time, you value your life. Use it to live. Use it to love. Use it to create.